Alright, I figured I'd show you all a real quick video of how I make my impeller kits. There, I got just this random 1/4 inch thick rubber, I think it was conveyor belt, but I'm not sure I bought it online. But pretty much I use that. Let me go around for it. Getting your old way is bad. But I never gotta walk all the way around this way. But I use that. I got, let me grab it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I use 7/32 drill bit to make the pilot hole. And I got 2 different sets of step bits. I got that fine step bit on a 12-inch extension for reaching down inside to do it. And then I got on the cordless drill I just took the battery off of. I got a different step bit that I'm using to bore the hole out on this. The way I'm doing it is I'm drilling and working the 2 pilot holes, fully drilling them out, then I'm taking the rubber and drilling it out to a 1/2 inch hole. And the inside, I'm just drilling it big enough where I can get, I don't know how well I can get to where y'all can see it, but I'm using 5/16 carriage bolts, and I'm just drilling it big enough for them to tight fill on the bottom and impact them with the impact on top with some washers and lock washers. But yeah, that may work. Let me show you about how fast this is. Ain't the fastest thing in the world. We'll try to get you in close here in just a second once I make the pilot holes. Yeah, that'll be right. Let me loosen you all up real quick. Show you. Pretty much, y'all can't really see it, but there's, let's go where I can clear the chips away. There's, oh, where are you at? Right there's the beginning of one right there. There's the beginning of one, right there's the other. And right there's 2 little holes on that rubber flap. I'll bore these out, and I'll also full drill them and go. But pretty much once you bore the holes, bolt it together, and just start her up, let her run for about 5-10 minutes, and wear in that edge, and it's ready to go. Yeah, and that's gonna be it on this one. I'll try to get short of it running before snow hits. There when it's on breaking, so you can hear what it sounds like. See you next time.